once again.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on a car that you guys are going to see quite frequently on my channel, and it's my brother's car. You guys can actually follow him on his YouTube channel. You can see what he has done to his car so far. His YouTube channel is sick_FK8. I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you guys can go check him out. But let me go ahead and show you guys his car. And here's the Type R, guys. 2018 Type R. So we got the car in the shop today. We're going to be doing his exhaust, and I believe we're going to be doing something with the intake as well. I'm going to show you guys my brother right here.
What's going on, guys?
What's your channel name?
Sick.FK8, and it's the same thing for Instagram. Just give me a follow if you like what you see. If you like what you see today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to both our channels.
There you go.
Every subscription we get, every like, it helps us out so we could bring you guys more content.
There you go. So what are we doing to your car today?
We're going to be doing the exhaust, HKS Ligamax exhaust, and I have a inventory intake that I bought. I saw it, I fell in love with it. It's fully carbon fiber. This thing is going to be amazing.
Awesome, awesome.
So, it's a pretty penny, but I feel like it's going to be worth it.
There you go. And I know you did your tail lights.
Yes, yesterday.
So if you guys go, you probably see pictures on his Instagram of that. Are you going to have a video of that too?
Yes, I'm going to have a little something.
But here's the tail lights, guys, on this side. That also looks sick. So if you guys go to his channel, you can see all the upgrades.
So they can see it?
Yeah, let's go check them out. Got the brake light on. The sun's in the way, so it's kind of killing us. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, the LEDs for reverse. And there goes the signal. Well, that's pretty cool. It's nice and different. It's good to be unique. But let's go ahead and start doing all this work to this car, guys, and we're going to show you the progress. So we got the Type R in the air, and it looks like it's one complete pipe. Got the 3 bolts right there, 14 mils. We're gonna take those out, start putting this new exhaust on, and it looks like we might have to take this little splash guard out, little shield. But let's go ahead and start doing that. Alright, so we drop down the little splash shield. Had little clips on the sides, on both sides. One over here, just a few down here. And now we can work on taking those 3 14mm bolts out. Alright, so we got the 3 14mm bolts out, well, nuts out. And it looks like all we really got to do is start taking off these rubber hangers off. Started taking this one out a little bit. And it's pretty much straightforward. It's just hangers that are left to come out. Pull this one off. Got this one off. Looks like you're gonna have to take those clips out so you can get access to this one to get this hanger out. And then we got this side. And then it pretty much looks like that's all you gotta do, and the exhaust should drop right down. So we're gonna go ahead and start taking those rubber hangers down, and we'll go from there. Alright, guys, so the exhaust is down. It was pretty much straightforward. Took the 3 14mm nuts off and just unhooked them from all the exhaust hangers. And there's the old exhaust. And now we're going to work on putting the new one on. So we're going to start getting all that ready. This is a HKS exhaust. So this Type R is definitely going to sound very, very nice once it's all done. Alright, we got the new exhaust laid down on the ground. And it comes in 3 pieces. It's not just one piece like the stock one. So we're going to start hanging everything up little by little, and we'll show you the final result. Alright guys, so we got the new exhaust on. Everything is just semi-loose right now. We just had to make sure we got everything to fit into place correctly. And this is how she looks. This looks amazing. So we're going to go ahead and button everything up, tighten it up, and we'll show you guys how it sounds. Alright, so the exhaust is fully tightened down now. Got them all secured. Now that everything is nice and tight, we're going to work on putting these back up. And these two. And then when you drop the car down, turn it on and see how it sounds. Alright, so the exhaust is done. My brother's getting inside his car to turn it on right now. Let's see how this baby sounds. Yep. Look at that purr. Rev it up a little. You guys have it. HKS exhaust install. Alright guys, so we got the Eventuri carbon fiber intake installed. I did not get any footage of this because this was a nightmare to put on. So we just went and tackled it. So this is how it looks like. And it definitely looks amazing. So now the Type R is ready for Honda Day. Got the exhaust done, the intake, and we also got the tail lights done. Oh man. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely stay tuned so we can watch some more footage of the Type R, my project car, and he also has another car that you guys don't know about yet, but if you follow his channel you'll actually see it. He does show one video about it, but definitely stay tuned guys. I'm gonna leave a link in the description like I said earlier for his channel so you guys can go check him out, and keep on watching guys. Subscribe, thumbs up the video, and stay tuned for more.